Hello everybody. So we're upstairs again in the kitchen and I'm sat on Gab's lovely window seat where she likes to read through thousands of books and write poetry. I keep telling her she should feature on the channel more. She's got a lovely little singing voice as well, so maybe I'll twist her arm into doing a cover or something. So the last time we were up here we were doing an Ernie Ball string unboxing for the Primo Mega and Mammoth. So don't forget to enter that competition. Thumb up the video, hit subscribe, drop me a comment, tell me why you should win. I'm going to be announcing the winner soon. But the video before that, I was installing Graphtec Resomax bridge and tailpiece to my Les Paul. And if you remember at the end, I said I'm not going to bother stringing it up because I'm taking it straight in for a refret. I'm not going to lie, massively missed having my Les Paul around. I've fallen a little bit more in love with my Strat. The Strat's definitely not been my #1 guitar, but it definitely became my #1 guitar when my Les Paul went in for a refret. And for me, I think I'm quite fussy, so it takes me about a day or two to adjust for that guitar to feel comfortable in my hands. You know, the string tension and everything's different. But yeah, so we've got the Les Paul back, so we're going to take a look at it, and then I think we'll go downstairs and test it out, give it a listen, because it's been a while. So I've now got Graphtec ratio locking tuners, Graphtec Resomax bridge and tailpiece, 6000 jumbos, set up with regular 10s. They're a mixture of silver and nickel, but more nickel than silver. Definitely way better quality than the ones that were already in there. And these are 6000s. If you're looking at 6100 or 6200, they're the same height, but these are a little bit fatter. Changed the knobs, and obviously because of the height of the jumbos, I've had to have the nut raised ever so slightly. Am I done yet? Or do you think I'm going to keep modding it? I was thinking about sticking some bare knuckle pickups in there. Torn between the Black Dog and the Mule. I would keep the bridge pickup uncovered and black, but I was thinking about going covered, but that kind of like nickel, or like almost tarnished nickel, so it's got that vintage look to it rather than the reflective surface. But yeah, should we go try it out and see what it sounds like then? Okay, so my first impressions of the Jumbo refret and the change to the Graphtec hardware. I absolutely love it. The Jumbos make such a huge difference to the playability. Obviously because the frets are slightly higher, you can have the strings higher, which makes bending and vibrato just a lot more effortless, and I feel like more accurate as well, which is cool. I have a high action anyway, and I've still kept it fairly high. And obviously because the fingertips won't be coming into contact as much with the actual fretboard, this is more comparable to a scalloped neck whilst retaining that classic look. And I just feel like I've got way more grip and I'm a lot less likely to slip off the frets. And I love the look as well. I think that the chunky frets just give it a bit more beef. In terms of tone, I don't know about you, let me know in the comments below what you think, but personally I feel like I'm getting a little bit more of a mid honk out of it and more bass, which suits me down to the ground because I'm all about the beef with the Les Paul. And yeah, one more huge shout out and massive thank you to Andy Gibson over at 6060 Sounds, Denmark Street, London, who did the refret for me and set it up. Really nice guy, loves a Belgian beer, if you ever want to pop in and give him one. Pop round here and give me one as well. But yeah, he's done a wicked job. That sounds great. In terms of the Graphtec tailpiece and new bridge and saddles, they're awesome. I actually changed the strings over when I got the guitar back, just because I wanted to do the Bonamassa overwrap. Obviously you could just go straight through the tailpiece and raise it up to get a similar kind of string tension, but I feel like having it flush to the body gives you more resonance, so that's why I'm a fan of the Bonamassa wraparound. But yeah, the very fact that my old bridge was warped, you know, that's crazy. It was literally like a C shape, whereas this one is not. And I've got the String Saver saddles on there and they look really cool in the black. I think it matches the whole plate off the bridge pickup. And like I said, when I change the strings over, the fact that they're locking and they're not sliding around the body of the guitar, potentially going to scratch the finish or whatever, is wicked. Very happy man here. Missed the Les Paul, but now she's back and she's not going anywhere. I must have changed the pickups. Maybe I should put some Primos on and see what they feel like.